we have chosen for the present is full of hazards, as all paths are. But it is the one most consistent with our character and courage as a nation and our commitments around the world.
I have the most loyal people. Did you ever see that? Where I could stand in the middle of Fifth Avenue and shoot somebody and I wouldn't lose any voters, okay? It's like incredible.
Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this wall.
Who's gonna pay for the wall? 100%.
There may and likely will come a time in which we have both an airborne disease that is deadly. We have to put in place an infrastructure, not just here at home, but globally, that allows us to see it quickly, isolate it quickly, respond to it quickly.
We have done an incredible job. We're going to continue. It's going to disappear. One day it's like a miracle. It will disappear.
I'm a very stable genius.
I'm an extremely stable genius.